Hi guys, it's Nicole, and today we have finally made it to the end of my month in review layouts for 2020. I posted sort of the kit contents reset video already, only because I had all the files and everything kind of ready to go. The video was edited. I wasn't able to take photos of the December layout and some other layouts for upcoming videos until this morning. I only have like a couple hours in the morning when I have good light that comes into my scrap room. So I try to knock out like all of layout photography all in one go. Now, if you watched November's process, you know that I messed that up. So once I figured out that I had my photos sort of messed up and out of order, I actually worked on both pages together, and both were just kind of a mess. So December, again, tons of photos. Probably could have done it on a 2-page spread, but I really just didn't want to. I was kind of like, just get it done kind of a mindset. Plus, I'm pretty limited on like what stickers and stuff I have left. So I noticed that the last couple months didn't have as many like icon stickers tucked into all the little pieces on top of my photo collages, but it's fine. If I was allowing myself to kind of be open to my stash, I think I would have gone and grabbed a couple like Christmas themed icon stickers from different Simple Stories collections to tuck up in there. If I decide I want to do that when I put my layouts away, I may or may not do that. But I literally was just in the mindset of get it done. So here you can see I'm literally just trying to figure out like what's left. And I'm kind of down to just like the phrases that I don't like 24/7 and 365. I don't know that I will find a use for those. I don't know. We'll see. And then I have a whole bunch of these. Like, I just didn't document like a lot of the weirdness that was going on. So I'm not sure how much of this stuff is going to get used, but we'll see. I kind of feel like the personal challenge to myself is to use as much as possible, and then either allowing myself to just go ahead and let the leftovers go, or if there's something that I think has potential for a future use down the line, I'll put it in my leftover binder. And I'll try to remember to put a link in the eye above talking about my leftover binder. I kind of took a couple different ideas from different people that were doing like various sticker binders and stuff. I tried a couple people's techniques, didn't work for me. I ended up going with what works for me, just kind of Frankenstein something that worked for myself. So again, so I went to print my journaling and the stupid tape moved. And I was like, dang it. I'm pretty sure that's why I use this mint tape from scrapbook.com. And for whatever reason, I used that see-through I don't know what it is. I don't even know where I got it. I don't know if I ordered it, if somebody gave it to me. I don't even know at this point. But it moved and my journaling printed diagonally. And I was like, of course, it would do this to me on the last layout. So I got super lucky that I had some leftovers from an old scrap room kit that used this collection. And on the March paper was the same cut apart, same color frame, just has the March number and like representation. Can you wait? I'll open the door. 2 minutes. She was dead ass asleep until I started this voiceover, and now she wants out now. So anyways, I'm going to sort of doctor this card and recreate the one that got messed up. I cut off the banner that says 12, even though some of my crooked printing is on there. I don't care. I'm doing what I can to kind of piece this thing back together. Plus, I kind of was like, you know what, if I kind of tuck this under the calendar or put a sticker on there, slap a heart on there, whatever, we'll figure out a way to cover it up. And then I'm going to cut off the bottom of the tag that I messed up. I'm going to cut the bottom of that off and just literally tape it on top. There is a seam. You can see it. I'm over it at this point. So, boom, done. There you go. Can't tell I messed up, right? I don't, like I said, I was like, oh my gosh, of course it would mess up on the last one. And, I'm using very specific cut aparts from these papers. It wasn't like I was printing on like one of the generic ones. This one literally was like December. Oh, added my little mini paper clip. I'm pretty sure I remember to do this on all of the layouts, as well as the little like circle stickers that say the month. And then this was kind of the point where I was trying to find some icon stickers to put up there, just kind of trying to find anything that I can use up. Took the Band-Aid and put that over my boo-boo. This is the part where I was just like, oh, I'm done. Like, I'm done. Stick something on there and move on. And in like here, you can see the other side of the sticker sheet. There's just a lot of phrase heavy stuff that's left over. And I do like phrase heavy stuff, but I kind of feel like when you're already pulling out a lot of phrase stuff and you're already having just a lot of type and text and stuff going on, sometimes it can be a little bit overkill. Not as bad as some manufacturers. There's some recent ones that I've gotten in my scrap room kits that I'm just like, really? It's all words and phrases. Like, throw me a blank label, throw me a tab, throw me something. I am severely lacking in all these little hearts. I need to sit down and just die cut a bunch of stuff. And I'm probably going to end up doing it. Like, a lot of times I end up sitting here waiting for video files to drop into my software or render, waiting for it to save, waiting for it to export. And lately I've been cleaning during that time and filming a clean with me. So at some point I'm going to get to the point where I like hit the wall of I don't want to clean, I don't want to make a layout, I don't want to edit a video, and I'm going to literally sit here and just cut out a bunch of hearts, because it definitely made the process quicker and just more fun to kind of already have even just the white bases ready to go, and then the pattern papers sort of separate, and I can pick which ones I want and like glue them on to the white like stacked cardstock pieces. You guys know what I mean. Anyways, there's my layout. I'm now officially done with all my month in review layouts for 2020. And it is few and far between that I actually finish a large project. So we're all just going to collectively like golf clap for me, okay? I'm going to go finish cleaning and get going on some other projects that I cannot wait to tell you guys about, and I'll catch you later.